How do I choose the right charger for my golf cart? Welcome to New Golf Cart Owners 101 right now on GCGTV. Hi everyone, welcome and thank you for joining us at golfcartgarage.com. Today on GCGTV, we're looking at some FAQs, or frequently asked questions, from new golf cart owners. Next question up. Dave, you're so funny and handsome. What's your credit card number? I'm not falling for that one again. Our third most frequently asked question is, how do I find a charger for my golf cart? Well, the Summit 2 model charger from Lester Electrical that we carry at golfcartgarage.com is very simple to order. All you need to find the right charger is to match the plug for your cart receptacle. As long as you see a plug that matches the receptacle on your cart or matches the plug on the charger that you're replacing, you'll have the perfect choice to suit your needs. You can also consider the on-board version of the Summit 2 that connects to your batteries directly and charges any golf cart. We can help with these questions and more at Golf Cart Garage. Our resources section covers more FAQs and tons of information, including articles on maintenance and common issues. So stop by golfcartgarage.com or give us a call, 1-800-401-2934 to outfit your cart today. Our customer care specialists would love to help answer all your questions, provide service, and place orders right over the phone. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more episodes. Thanks for watching GCGTV.